No, actually, my goal was to be a medical doctor when I was doing A levels, but I don't know. I think now it's for earlier. I thought it's unfortunately I came for vet faculty. Now I think it's for fortunately. Yes, from the, because then after entering things, but I had a habit that if I'm doing something, I'll do it correctly. Otherwise, I won't do that. After entering that, I thought, okay, now this is my fate. Now I have to do this. Then I did it, and I did it extremely. So then I had the opportunity to join for the faculty staff also. I think no, I'm not coming. I'm going to join with Blue Port Trust, and I'm going there. And I said bye for them. Then I came here.
And are you enjoying your job?
Actually,
Thank you.
yeah, welcome.
Battery low. Hi Ganga.
Hello, Suranjit.
Can you start with your childhood, where you grew up, where you, which town you were in, and what your early childhood school was, and what you were doing, and start from there.
Okay, I had a very happy childhood. I'm from Panadura. Those days we lived in Panadura. I have 4 sisters and 1 brother, and I studied at Visaka Vidyalaya, Colombo.
Up to which you studied up to A levels?
Studied up to A levels. After that, I went to Peradeniya University to study veterinary medicine. After that, I started working. First, I came.
At what point in your life did you decide to go to take veterinary as a field of study?
Actually, it was by accident in Sri Lankan situation. It is according to the A-level marks that decides what course you will follow. But for me, I like veterinary medicine, and I got that also. So I am very happy to study veterinary medicine.
And then after you graduated from Peradeniya, what was your first job you got?
Actually, my first job was at Pet Clinic. At that time, 2 partners of the Pet Clinic, they are Dr. Vipuli and Dr. Janaki. They are my family friends, so I knew them at the university. At school also I knew them, and then at the university also I knew them. So they asked me to join Pet. So I joined Pet. That was between my finals and my internship. So I came there and worked there. I think it was my first job actually, even before the internship. And for my internship, I went to Prima company. It's the biggest poultry, integrated poultry farming system. They have an integrated poultry farming system. It is the biggest poultry company in Sri Lanka. There they had Dr. Chin as the general manager those days. So when I was in the university, I knew him also. So I thought that is the best place for me to do the internship. So I went there, and after the internship, Dr. Chin asked me to stay there. So he offered me a job there. So I talked to Dr. Vipuli and Janaki and Dr. Nalnika also, and then I decided to go to Prima. So I was there for 6 years.
At Prima?
Yeah, at Prima. I went there mainly to gain management experience because I was planning to do a Master of Business Administration degree at that time. So for that, it needed 6 years management, 3 years management experience at a good organization. So I thought Prima was the best place. So I joined Prima and again 3 years experience. Then I did the master's MBA there.
So after you did a master's in business administration. That was 6 years at Prima then?
Prima, yeah.
After that, what happened?
Then after that, I thought, okay, now it's the time to change, like because Actually, poultry I didn't like that much, but because of the management experience, to gain the management experience, I joined Prima. So
It was because of the execution of
yes, so because of it was farming. So although I was not directly involved in culling part, I was looking after hatchery and a breeding farm. I was not mainly involved with culling chicken, but it was part of the process, so I didn't want to continue there. So I thought of changing jobs, and I got to know about this thing, and so I
And how many years ago did you start working with?
Blue Paw 3 years ago.
So that is you didn't work at the clinic after that at all.
Pet vet?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
So you went from Prima directly to Blue Potter.
Yeah.
And what did you find? What was your first impression of Blue Potter? After working in the workforce and in Prema and everything else, what was your first impression when you joined Blue Potter?
Actually, Prima had a very structured environment. Everything was organized and there was a structure and we had to follow that. But when I joined the Blue Pot Trust, actually it was just starting with that. Actually, it had the tsunami team. I joined the tsunami project first. At that time, there were only, when I joined, there were only one doctor and two new doctors, me and another doctor. So 3 of us managed the Tsunami South project. So it was we 3 of us did everything, like we got instructions from Dr. Nalanika. So it was basically 3 of us running the project like.
So it was almost opposite to Prima, where it
Yes.
was completely unstructured
Yeah.
environment where you had to manage yourself and
Yeah.
create structures to
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah, at the Prima, I was the farm manager, so I had 110 people under me. So there was structures. But here there was no structure at all, and only 3 of us. So it was quite different.
Night and day difference.
Yes.
Talk about your experience in the tsunami project. What after I would say being thrown in the deep end without any structure, the experience you got out of that, because you went from a vet to management, which is completely different from the medical profession.
Yes.
And now you're back again in the medical profession
Yeah.
that you trained in. Can you talk a little about this whole transition?
Yes, it was really difficult at the beginning, and Dr. Nalanika asked me to work at the pet clinic to get the basic experience before going straight to the project. So I think I worked in the clinic for about 1 month to gain the experience, and after that I joined the project. Since I had worked at the pet previously, and dogs were my pet area, I just it was not difficult for me to catch the work soon. So at the beginning it was a challenge, but I think within a short period I overcame all the obstacles.
Now talk about the tsunami project, what you all accomplished and what, looking back at it, what would your commentary be about the tsunami project?
Actually, I joined the tsunami project in the end stages. I worked in that for about 7 months. So we were winding up the project actually. And since they had worked for about 1.5 years before I joined, they were familiar with the areas and people, and it was not difficult to work in that project because people were familiar with our work. We worked from Bentota up to Titsamarama along the coastal line. So every week we went to a different town. So from that town we operated the clinic for 5 days, and Friday evening we came back to Colombo again.
What was the experience you were left with after you worked 7 months on that project?
Yes.
What was the experience at the end of 7 months? because you had academic knowledge and very little practical knowledge when you left. Then you changed field.
Yeah.
When you came back, and then you were in the first